Okay, we're gonna go over here.
Sorry, so this question kind of ties back to the previous panel about persuasion, inspiration, and activism. One of the previous questions talked about why the right seems to have so much power, and I feel like a lot of that is like presented in how much like media consolidation they have, like the Fox News and Infowars, et cetera. Like they all have this like codified, unified message, and like how to like whereas like the left is so fractured and like all the like we're so concerned with the discourse and like everyone's opinions, and like so how do we consolidate our message and like make it more unified so it has like is more powerful and projected, you know? Yeah.
Maybe this is a hot take. I don't disagree with you. On the point of the GOP, for a long time, doing a good job with what they're doing with their base, which I would say, when I approach programming, I will do this to this day. What I will never do is try to replicate what they're doing. And I think because we treat our people differently than they do. And I think the second piece is, it really depends on what we're looking at. I don't necessarily think us as a space are fractured. And I think there was this whole media piece from the GOP last year where like Dems in disarray. Look, we could have definitely done more, right? Every year we can do more. I think we should also celebrate our wins when they're deserved. We held the Senate. We're building infrastructure that's going to support into a presidential election cycle. And yes, there's more work to do. I think we have to play very carefully to ensure that we're not playing into the fears of our base and really lifting up the things that they care about in an authentic way, and that's how we will win. And if we do that consistently, and that goes back to my other piece, which everybody's speaking to, it takes time, and it can't be cyclical all the time. And it's not necessarily on the candidates' campaigns to do that either. But maybe I would love to actually talk after if it's okay. But it's I would think a very nuanced answer, but that's my best answer at the moment.